Ay, wait lang. Okay, can you see the slides now? Everyone ready? Okay.
Yes.
Number one, what Chinese medicine state can be observed in a person's eyes?
10.
And bright and sparkling eyes usually indicate
Good health.
good
Good
health.
health.
Difficulty maintaining eye contact. May pasyente ka, ayaw ka tingnan na mabuti. Diagnosis na.
Archie.
Heart Qi deficiency. A person with heart Qi deficiency often,
Lower their gaze.
yes. Have you met patients like that? Diba?
Yes, Doc.
Feeling guilty, mahina lang talaga yung staring inward, inability to look outward may indicate
Torto. Meron tong problema sa heart and liver. Heart and liver
yes, heart and liver Qi stagnation. Piercing and rigid staring eyes. Galit yan.
Liver excess imbalance.
Very good. Letter A.
Fire.
Restless, frenetic eyes.
Heat agitating the shen.
Very good. Matte and blurry eyes often indicate
Blurry
Phlegm,
phlegm,
blocking
blocking the
galing. Lack of brightness in the eyes.
heart deficiency, liver and heart stagnation. Both A and B.
Okay, heart Qi deficiency. In Chinese medicine, the eyes are primarily related to
Liver.
yes. Which part of the eye corresponds to kidneys?
Pupil.
The iris corresponds to which some organ?
Iris. Liver.
The sclera corresponds to
Lungs.
the canthus corresponds to canthus.
Hello?
Heart.
Pagkantos, heart.
Yeah. The lower eyelid reflects the condition of the
Stomach.
stomach. Wow. The upper eyelid corresponds to the
Upper spleen.
red eyes most commonly indicate
Heat.
heat is considered
Heat. Young in nature.
which condition commonly causes red eyes?
Cause
Liver.
eyes. Feeling stomach.
All of the above.
All of the above. Dryness in the eyes due to heat occurs because
Siyempre, pag dry fluids, evaporation.
yellowish eyes are commonly associated with
Damp
Some
heat.
heat.
yes. Bluish tinge in the eyes may indicate
Cold.
very good. Greenish tinge in the eyes may indicate
Pag liver pain.
liver wind. Malapit na yan maano.
Matugi.
Ayun naman. Grabe. Inflammation and styes are often due to
So, merong stomach worm,
internal heat
all of the
rising.
above to.
Mhm.
All of the above?
All of the above. Ang
All of
ganda
the
naman.
above.
Okay. Heat ascending to the eyelid often travels through
Canthus, di ba? Pag sa dulo. Stomach channel.
stomach channel. Ang galing naman. Mucus accumulation in the eyes is associated with
Phlegm.
Phlegm.
watery eyes may result from
Pag
Wrinkles.
nagbawater, pero lahat nito may liver balance, cognitive, all of the above.
ano ba talaga?
Doc, all of the above, Doc.
All of the above. Tears are associated with which face?
Face, wood.
Petal.
Ano petal?
Wood.
Wood.
Pag sa bata, tears.
Color black around the eyes generally indicate, katulad ng mga mata ng ibang tiyan.
Okay, hindi natutulog to. Kidney deficiency. May kidney imbalance.
Okay. Black and moist skin around the eyes.
Kidney yang.
Yes.
Kidney yang. Tama. Pag
Black
moist.
and dry skin around the eyes.
Kidney deficiency.
Tingnan mo lang yung mata. Dark, musky coloration around the eyes.
Dampness or phlegm.
Galing. Blue-green coloration around the eyes.
Blue-green.
Liver
Di ba pag green
cheese.
liver?
Liver
Tama.
cheese stagnation. Purple coloration around the eyes.
Blood
Stagnation.
Stagnation.
Redness around the eyes.
teeth.
Heat.
White and shining skin around the eyes.
Cold.
Cold.
White, dry, and sallow skin around the eyes.
Blood
What eye?
deficiency.
Blood deficiency.
Puffiness around the eyes.
Pag magupit tubig to fluid
Fluid
accumulation.
accumulation.
Okay. Acute puffiness around the eyes. Bago lang, ha? Often
Sobrang
results from,
Wind,
Ah,
cold, or
with cold
wind
with
heat.
heat.
yes, chronic bugs under the eyes. Chronic na yan. Common
Pain or kidney
Blood
skin or
deficiency.
kidney deficiency. The eyes are called the windows of the.
Soul and spirit.
Spirit.
Which organ is most associated with Shen?
heart.
Heart.
And undernourished Shen often produces.
Dull eye.
The Hun is primarily associated with
Liver.
liver. Person who seems locked within themselves may have
May issues sa heart and liver
liver
cheese stagnation.
wow. Overactive Hun may produce
Overactive. Intense
Staring
staring eye.
heat disturbing the Shen can make a person appear
Manic.
manic. Darting eyes are a sign of
Pag darting, di ba may heat agitating the Shen.
blurry eyes can indicate difficulty in
Radiating Shen outward.
all forms of heat tend to
Di ba
Rise
tataas to?
upward.
Rise upward.
bloodshot sclera is commonly caused by
Heat.
Heat.
which pathogenic factor may generate toxic heat in the eyes?
Toxic in the eye.
Intense heat.
Intense heat.
Yellow eyes may also indicate
Pwedeng blood stagnation,
A and
pwedeng
B.
blood deficiency.
so both
Both
A and B.
B.
Wow. Green discoloration in the eyes.
Liver
Green liver
wind.
wind.
Morning eye mucus develops partly because paggising mo ang dami mong
Morning eye. Mota. Gumagalaw yung cheek movement decreases during sleep.
corners of the eyes are prone to phlegm accumulation because
Phlegm.
Corners of
Cheek
the eye.
flow is
So
limited
it's limited then.
watering eyes triggered by wind exposure often involve
Water. Liver imbalance.
liver imbalance. The skin around the eyes is diagnostically useful because it is
Di ba?
thin and transparent. Yeah, take care.
Transparent.
Which color indicates stronger cheese stagnation around the eyes?
Stagnation, blue and green.
A green color around the eyes.
Liver
Green color.
cheese.
Tama.
Shiny white complexion around the eyes.
With cold
and
invasion.
red.
Pale skin around the eyes.
Pale
Blood
skin. Blood
deficiency.
deficiency.
Wow. Which factor can interfere with visual diagnosis around the eyes?
Excess blinking.
They make up.
Makeup.
Sasaktan kasi yan sa diagnosis.
Rebellious lung chi may cause
Rebel sanchi. Puffness around the eyes.
Puffiness.
lung function disturbed in acute puffiness is
Spreading and decreasing. Descending fluid.
chronic eye bags worsen when the person is
Tired or
overstrained.
overstrained.
the eyes are especially linked to which Zhang organ?
Liver.
Which organs imbalance produce shy behavior and weak eye contact?
Heart.
Heart.
Chinese medicine direct comfortable eye contact reflects
Strong stem.
Strong stem.
rigid and piercing eyes may make others instinctively
Look away.
look away. Heat in the body often manifests in which body or region?
The
Head and
head
upper
and upper
body.
body.
Wind heat affecting the eyes may lead to
Pag
All
winhid
of
ka,
the
pwede
above.
all of
Tama.
the
Ay, oo,
above.
grabe.
Toxic heat in the eyes may arise when
Toxic
Heat
that.
becomes very
Becomes very
intense.
intense.
phlegm in the eyes commonly appears as
Mucus
Mucus
secretion.
secretion.
Instance.
yung mamuta pagising. The movement of fluids in the eyes is strongly influenced by
Liver.
liver. Which of the following may indicate damp heat around the eyes?
Tongue heat. May pula
All
yun.
of-
May
Yes.
kaliskis. May
All
all of the above.
All of the above.
Blue-green coloration around the eyes.
Tongue,
Blue-green.
cheese,
Stagnation.
Purple around the eyes.
blood
Blood
stagnation.
stagnation.
Which organ pair is commonly involved in chronic puffiness under the eyes?
Under spleen and
Heart.
kidney.
Dapat ayusin nyo yan. Ha?
Spleen and kidney, doc.
Spleen and kidney. The inability to transport body fluids properly is associated with
Yang deficiency.
wow. Which eye structure reflects lung conditions?
Sclera.
Which eye structure reflects stomach conditions?
Lower
Lower
eyelid.
eyelid.
Kaya pala yung mga smoker, no, tingnan mo yung kanilang sclera. Malabnaw.
Kulay po. Kulay
Marumi, no? Which eye structure reflects spleen conditions?
upper eyelid.
The eyes becoming dry due to heat indicates damage to
Fluid.
fluids. Which condition is associated with blurry eyes and emotional disconnection?
Motion disconnection.
Left blocking
Then
shade.
wrapping the shell.
Shen has meanings including
Vitality and radiance.
Both A and B.
both A
Yeah.
and
A and
B.
B.
Basahin nyo lahat ng options. The who normally looks
forward and outward.
which imbalance can make a person feel they cannot see a future for themselves?
Heart and liver.
Heart and liver stagnation.
The eyes of an exhausted person may resemble those with
Heart deficiency.
wow. Okay. Which color on the eyes is linked to dampness or phlegm?
Dampness and phlegm. Dark brown or
Medicine heat affecting the eyes is often
Heat affecting the eyes is often
ang taga?
deficient in nature.
G and nature, B.
Deficient. Heat affecting the
nature.
Affecting the eye.
excess in nature. Excess in nature.
I changed the answer. Okay, letter B. What commonly causes bloodshot eyes?
Bloodshot.
Heat rising
Heat
upward.
upward.
The area around the eyes may become puffy because the flesh there
Very-
is
Very
thin.
thin.
very thin. Which pathogenic factor blocks lung descending function in acute eye puffiness?
Exogenous pathogenic T.
Wow. Which syndrome may produce weeping or flaky
Pathogenic.
skin around the eyes?
Damp heat.
Damp
Damp
heat.
heat.
Which observation indicates heat agitating the shen?
Restlessness eyes.
Okay, letter B. Which observation is linked to key imbalance?
Imbalance.
Staring and piercing
Staring
eyes.
and piercing eyes.
Makapitig.
A person feeling as if they are behind a mist may have
Phlegm
Phlegm
obstructing the
obstructing
shen.
the shen.
yes. Which organ system is especially involved in the transport and transformation of fluids?
Spleen and
Kidney.
Spleen and kidney. Which statement best reflects Chinese medicine eye diagnosis?
The eyes provide information about Shen, Zhanghu, Qi, blood, and pathogenic.
Pathogenic factors.
Okay, very good. Congratulations, everyone.
Nice.
Hope to see you again next time. Congratulations. Thanks for joining.